Do you know how to find customers for your cherry exports using TradeAtlas? Let's go through it step by step. On the new TradeAtlas search screen, enter the HS code for cherries, which is 080929, into the HS code field. To make your search more meaningful, you can apply a date filter. For example, to view companies that have imported cherries since the beginning of 2024, set the start date to January 1st, 2024. If there are specific countries you want to target or exclude, use the Importer Country section to select or exclude them accordingly. To access cherry importers worldwide, click the search button. You will then see valuable data such as number of shipments by country, total number of importing companies, and shipment count, monthly shipment distribution. Use the filters on the left side to narrow your search. For example, select Russia to view importers located there. When you scroll down, you will find a list of importing companies ranked by the number of shipments. By clicking the shipment count next to a company, you can view detailed information on all their shipments. You can also click the Google icon next to the company name to access more information from the web. To export the results, simply use the Download Excel button. The downloaded Excel file includes. In the Excel file, you will see two sheets. The first sheet includes customs declaration data with HS codes, product descriptions, quantities, values, and trading parties. The second sheet presents a ranked list of importers based on shipment count along with available contact details. By following these steps, you can easily identify companies that import cherries and connect with potential customers. Whether your goal is to export to a specific market or to explore new ones around the world, TradeAtlas helps you grow your exports with smart, data-based decisions. Start using the platform today and experience the advantage of reaching global markets with your cherry exports. TradeAtlas.com,